I start. Good evening, gentlemen of the press. You are welcome to today's press briefing. I want to first of all say that the Nigerian police force is fully determined and well prepared for the 2019 general elections. And our preparation is in three phases: the pre-election period, the election proper, and the post-election period. People should know that we won't tolerate any act of lawlessness before the election, during the election, and after the election. All politicians are hereby warned to play the game according to the rule and to ensure that anything they are going to do is in conformity with the Electoral Act. Nobody, no matter how highly placed, will be allowed to truncate the process. It is consequent upon this that the Inspector General of Police have directed all the Commissioner of Police and their supervising assistants of General of Police across the country to ensure that the primaries that are going on in all the political parties are peaceful and is devoid of any violence, and equally to ensure that any group or individuals that tried to truncate the process are immediately apprehended and prosecuted in accordance with the laid down laws in the Electoral Act and other extant law in the Federation. I want to start this evening by parading before you these four suspects that were arrested in the early hours of today in an hotel in Abuja. The first person is Engineer Epamese Innocent. Please stand up. He's from Imbiatuli local government area of Imo State and is 39 years of age. We also have Lawrence Achibong. Lawrence Achibong, no, keep standing please. Lawrence Achibong is from Akpabio local government area of Cross River State and is 34 years old. We equally have Kelechi Afone, who is 27 years old. He's from the Isalangwa north of Abia State. Lastly among them is Joseph Martins, who is 28 years old. He's from Ifo local government area of Ebonyi State. These four suspects were arrested in Abuja in the early hours of today at an hotel called Seradi Hotel in Wuse 2 area of Abuja Metropolis. They were arrested for being in possession of World Congress's materials that belong to Imo State. I wish to draw your mind back that last week, which is the 5th of May, the World Congresses supposed to have been held in Imo State, but it was shifted because of the fact that this group and their sponsor stole the electoral material, hijacked some in the process, and took them to a unknown destination. Police since then have commenced investigation into this unlawful and criminal act. And this is the result that we are having today. During the course of interrogating them, they mentioned one Dr. Ike Njoku. Dr. Ike Njoku is the zonal coordinator of Owerri municipality to Senator Hope Uzodinma, who is a serving senator of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. And I equally want to draw us a little bit back to let you know that Engineer Epamese Innocent is the essay on electoral matters to the same Senator Hope Uzodinma. I will go into the recovery that were made from the suspect. One, SCB to recover from the suspects 68 numbers of APC World Congress resource sheet, and this is the 68 recovered from their possession. We also have 6 numbers of APC Local Government Congress resource sheet. Oh, no, sorry. This is a 6. Look at it, it's a 6 in number. This is number of APC Local Government resource sheet. Equally recovered from their possession. Then we have this is the 6th number of local government APC local government ward officers and delegate list for the 5th of May 2016. Then lastly, we have 130 of this 130 of APC delegate nomination form. Investigation into this crime has commenced in earnest, and the Nigerian police force will leave no stone unturned in ensuring that we get to the root of this crime that have been committed by these four suspects. They are going to be charged to court for criminal conspiracy, stealing, and unlawful possession of APC ward local government electoral materials, and equally for forgery. I want to read out the name of the local government for which their materials were recovered from them. The first local government in Imo State is Ikeduru, local government area of Imo State. Iheazu Imbasi, sorry, I take that again. Ikeduru, Iheazu Imbise. We equally have that of Ingopala. Okay, then now you made me to go back. So let me start by reading the materials of the local government areas, to mention the name of the local government area whose electoral materials for the APC congresses and that of the local government congress that were recovered from them. The first one is Ikeduru local government area in Imo State. Then we have Iheazu Imbise local government area of Imo State. We have Ingopala local government area of Imo State, also recovered from them. We have those material from Owerri West local government area of Imo State. Also we have that of Owerri municipality. And the last one is Imbatoli local government area of Imo State. Like I said earlier on, the police will leave no stone unturned. We are going to ensure that nobody is a sacred cow in this investigation. Everybody that is involved in one way or the other, in the beginning, in the middle, or in the end, in the perpetration of this criminal act, are brought to book. Storm their hideouts in the hotel where they are carrying out these nefarious activities. They were made details and data from this booklet on my right hand into this research sheet. That is what they are meant to do. So this to let you know that they were arrested in the act, not only in possession, but in the act of forgery.
You work for a service network, Google Odima.
Yes. As what, sir?
What's the position?
Let's say an electoral matter.
Let's say on electoral matter.
When was the arrest near the time?
They were arrested today around 1400 hours,
As to
around 2 p.m. I think I'm correct? But it was found in your possession. Okay. You can see. Okay, ask them now. Who transferred
what were
it?
you doing with it?
No, let them talk. What are you doing? Yes. What are you doing with the register and Yes, let me talk. No, come this way, Come this way. Come to my side now. Yes, what are you doing to? Look at it. You copy from here to this place. I think it's understood, right?
They did not get us after doing it.
Okay. But you did it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And who again involved in it? Who again are involved in the grant? The three of you? Okay. So I think we've completed the assignment for today. Thank you so much and God bless.